Ooh, spiky. All right, today we're doing Taramasalata, but with the difference, we're going to use sea urchin to make our tarama. So the very first thing we need to do is go for a dive. Here we are at the local. You can see there's lots of sea urchins here. These are the purple spine sea urchins that we go for. We've got 3 different sea urchins that we go for. We've got the purple spines, we've got some short spined red sea urchins, and more recently we've had a flush of lamington sea urchins come down. Helped along here by my little mate. Loving it. He's got his gloves so he can pick him up too. I'll just pass them up to him. Hey. What do you reckon, buddy? Awesome. So once we're home, a bit of the messy part starts. I like to do it in a bowl, that way it doesn't go everywhere. And we just crack them in half and scoop out the roe. And there we are, that's what we're after. So for this recipe, I used 4 sea urchins. And into the blender, we put 1 grated onion. We put this beautiful sea urchin roe. And I put about 200 grams of bread that had been soaked in water and then squeezed out. So it goes into the blender. And as it's blending, we pour in some oil until it reaches a reasonable consistency. Like that. And then we're going to get some lemon juice. And we're going to do a big squeeze of lemon juice through it. I like my tarama really lemony, so I put the juice of a whole lemon in there. And then we're just going to add some more olive oil and blitz it up a little bit more until we get the desired consistency. Really just want it as a thick dip. So we're just going to spoon it into a bowl. Make a little divot in the middle, and we're going to pour some really nice extra virgin olive oil in there. It's got that grassy sort of flavour to it. And then to finish it off, we're going to put a big sprinkle of Maldon sea salt over the top of it. And that's it. It's all done. Sea urchin tarama. Dip and enjoy. So there you have it. Sea urchin taramasalata. Get into it.